Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this magical dress to impress outfit tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this soft elegance of cherry blossoms outfit. And this look will capture the essence of spring, gentle petals, flowing fabrics, and a royal presence that turns head in any theme. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So first, for the hair, I'm going to wear this updo hair, this one, and change the color into this brown color. And I'm going to combine it with this wavy hair, this one. Use the same color. And I'm going to also wear this bangs, this one. Change the color. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the women's sections and I'm going to put on this top first and change the color using the soft pink color, this one. And then here I'm going to wear this shoe and toggle it into add socks and change the color using this color in here. For the shoe and the socks, I'm going to make it white. Okay, so now once you're done here, in here I'm going to add the socks in this one and toggle it into high striped socks. And for the color, I'm going to make the color into white and soft pink, like this for the color of the socks. And let's add some more accessory in here. I'm going to first grab this accessory on the neck for the neck and also this necklace in here and change the color into the soft pink color, like this. And I'm going to also put on this bow on head, change the color into soft pink, and also I'm going to combine it with this on the head. Use the soft pink color for all of the preview. So now I'm going to finish the look with some of the currency and also code items. So here I'm going to wear this skirt. So this dress, toggle it into only the skirt and change the color into the soft pink color, like this. And I'm going to also wear this dress, but only for use the skirt, the sleeves, and change the color into soft pink. And now for the top, I'm going to also wear this dress in here, but I'm going to toggle it into number 2. So only for the dress, and let's change the color. I'm going to wear this color in here. Sorry for the preview, let's make it soft pink, and the second one, this one. Okay, so you can just choose between white, soft pink, and also this nude color. So now the dress will look like this, and I'm going to also wear the necklace from the code items in here and change the color into white. And I'm going to also grab this bag from the code items and change the color into white and soft pink for the bow. So now the look is done, and this is it. This is the cherry blue blossom outfit for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.